Hello, and welcome to this session on learning how to quote yourself health insurance via healthcoverageinsurance.com. I'm Paul, one of the agents with healthcoverageinsurance.com, and I will be going over the quote process via our website. It is quite simple. We can do it in as little as 5 minutes. And why don't we begin and show you how to obtain wonderful health insurance from various carriers online from all 50 states. So whether you're in Illinois, North Dakota, California, New York, etc., you can quote yourself a health coverage plan. We do want to keep and let everybody know November 1st is the start date for open enrollment for the healthcare exchange. Our website, we do provide both on-exchange and off-exchange plans. The site or the type of plan that we will be quoting today is one that is off-exchange. So the first thing you do is simply click on your domain tab, search tab within your browser, type in healthcoverageinsurance.com, or click on one of our links on our social media page, and you'll be immediately presented with the home page. If you want to get a quote going, all you have to do is just click the Quote Now button. It will take you directly to the first page. The first item of information that is needed in order to obtain a proper health quote would be the entrance of a zip code. For this purposes, our company is based out of Illinois, even though we work in all 50 states via the internet. We will use a Cook County zip code in Illinois. And you can enter whatever zip code that you're in, whether you're in New York, Los Angeles, anywhere in the United States. So we'll type in 60634. As you can see, the county pops up and the state pops up. We're going to be quoting an individual/family plan. The next step in the process is to click Continue. We do want to let all our potential clients know that all our information is protected. All our pages will feature a McAfee secure link, basically indicating that this page is secure. What you want to do now is type in your name. For the quote purposes tonight, we will be using Joe Smith. Obviously, you do want to put in your name, put in your phone number. You don't have to put any dashes, you just put in your number. State's auto-populated, city, address, if you have any comments, you can put that in as well. Now, as you scroll down through the screen, you can add dependents or remove them via the X's. You can add one for your spouse and for each of your children. You have a little tab down menu that will actually tell you what kind of options you have. For example, for your spouse, you can pick these options. For your children or relatives, you can pick these. Now, since we're just quoting Joe today, we'll just type in his birthday. We're going to quote a 45-year-old non-smoking male. So we're going to put in a date from 1970. Now you'll notice that we have the indication of health off exchange. Basically, this is your traditional plan. It is not subsidized, and it is not part of the exchange programs that would be through the Affordable Care Act. And you'll also see you have three options of the dates of when you can start a plan. Typically, it'll be the next upcoming month, and the reason being is there is some time that it takes for a application to process, and all of that is determined how quickly we get the application in, and then sending it on to the insurance carrier, and then the insurance carrier doing their underwriting, and then sending you the information, the final coverage, etc. You can also put in what is your monthly target premium, what you're paying currently, or what would you like to pay in this box right here. You can also request that the quote engine will allow you to, or it will remember your information. The next thing we'll do is just click continue. And now the quoting process is beginning. After the quote process goes through, you get a bunch of plans. Now, to make it easier for clients, because there are so many different plans, there's so many different options, they have platinum, gold, silver, and bronze plans. Platinum is the top, gold is really good, silver is good, and bronze is still pretty good. I would personally say all the plans that are out there, they are pretty phenomenal. It's really based off of what is in your budget and what would you like. The two determining factors that I would like everyone to consider is always what you want your deductible to be and what your monthly premium, what you're looking for to spend monthly. For today's purposes, we will do a platinum plan, and as you can see, there are various options. First that comes up is Land of Lincoln, which is a health insurance company, as well as Blue Cross Blue Shield. There are various plans based off of deductible. Your highest out-of-pocket deductible, if there were any type of deductible, would be $4,000. That is just if you're out of network or happen to be out of network. This is a plan that if you were in network would be zero deductible. It also gives you a breakdown of the different pricing: urgent care, inpatient hospital, what you'd pay, your generic drugs and preferred drugs. If you want to compare the different plans, let's say you'll pick a Blue Cross Blue Shield and a Land of Lincoln plan, and we'll just click compare. And the two plans will come up side by side, and it'll give you all the different types of information that comes with the plan. We understand this can be confusing and this can be a little bit challenging. We do, after you quote, or if you have any questions, you can call us as well about getting a plan, and we will help you find the right plan and help explain to you the types of options that are available, because it is really endless when it comes to picking a plan. But for today's purposes, we're going to just pick the Land of Lincoln plan. Now, in order to pick the plan, all you have to do is just click apply. You'll have a little pop-up that says, just to let you know, this is not an exchange plan unless you have some type of life event. This is not part of the plan for the exchange unless you have a life event. Just to let everybody know, November 1st is when all exchange plans go active again. We do those plans as well. You can quote them yourself online as well. For all intents and purposes, we just do continue. So we have a plan, the Land of Lincoln plan. It gives us the general information, our premium, our information that is so important that we input. This auto-populates the application. So we'll also put in our email address. Just type out your email address, put in there. Then you put in your weight, very important, as well as your height. Now you will get two options in getting your application. Getting it by mail will take longer, but you can actually prep to print it via Adobe Acrobat Reader. This way you can print the plan, you can fill it out the best you can. If you have any questions, we will be following up with you after we receive the actual notification that you've picked this plan. So we'll give you a call, but you can call us as well. We'll help you fill it out. you can just email it back to us, and then we can send it over to the insurance carrier and get it processed and get you going. So once we've filled out all this information, we just hit continue, and a little page will pop up with some general information, further information, and then you just hit print enrollment application. We will also get a notification, but just to give you a rundown, the reason why an application will ask for your social security number is so that they are able to track you through the process of underwriting. There's different information. Typically, it's a new application, and once again, as you go through this application, there's just 6 simple pages for the application. We'll go through with it just to make sure that everything is covered, and then we will submit the plan on your behalf to the insurance company and get you going. We do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. We do look forward to working with you as a client, and we want to get you the plan that is best for you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.